on this.
It's all right.
Do you find people find that like a disadvantage or not?
Yeah.
Like,
It's the weirdest thing.
Because obviously, with it being this kind of car, you wanted to make like a.
It will make a noise, but only it's when you're going quickly.
So, because obviously on like, obviously I don't drive, but with Volkswagen on like the GTDs, that's like our the diesel version. They have what's called a sound pack, which from the outside, rather than sound like a diesel, it just sounded like.
So this is similar sort of thing. This is all synthesised, so it's coming through the speakers.
Yeah.
It's all pre-recorded.
Right.
Because you want some sort of sound. If you're driving
quickly.
It's the whole thing of having a supercar, isn't it? That they make a nice noise.
How do I move the seat forward?
There'll be a bar at the bottom.
On the bottom.
On the flat one.
No, sorry, it's on the side. It's electric. There's a little switch. There's two switches, like in the shape of a seat. And there's a long flat one along the bottom. You just push the whole switch forward. Yeah, so just push that switch forward.
Oh, I would get it. Oh,
there
yeah,
you
I've
go.
got it, yeah. So I've got little short legs.
Are you getting on then, aren't you?
I've got loads of room.
Right.
I'm short.
I've got loads of room.
You should have got him behind me. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
So start.
So just press start. That's it. It's ready to go. This one says tyre pressure stop kept, but it's fine.
Okay.
It's got like half a bar less than the others.
And do I have to?
Yeah. So same as a normal automatic. Hold the button in on the side.
Yeah.
And push it up into R for reverse. With your foot on the brake. That's it. Just there you go.
Oh yeah, it's a two-button job. Yeah.
Okay. And then handbrake off, and we're ready.
Is that gonna? Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, it does creep, whereas the i3
the other one doesn't,
does
it?
Oh
my God, I'm scared. Which way am I going?
Okay, so I'm gonna
go that
out.
way.
Yeah, you still got to go out the same way.
At least it's got a rear view.
So at the moment, I'm going to put it in economy drive.
Insane setting. Have I pulled back far enough?
Yeah, you're right. It's got really good turning circles. The i3's got a really good turning circle as well.
So we'll find out when we hear a grinding
when it hits the
noise.
post.
Straight on?
Straight on, up to the top and then left.
You have to excuse my sense of direction. That's got a heads-up display.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to wash your screen, just pull the right stalk forward.
That one there.
Yeah.
Do that.
Left.
Sorry, I wasn't. Oh, I thought you were going to say left in there.
No,
I was thinking, oh my God.
Sorry.
Right, okay.
So you can hear a noise coming in that's just synthesised. Because it's still an electric, but it's a synthesised noise.
To make you feel.
Yeah.
Is this 30?
Yeah, to make you feel that it's going.
Yeah.
The only time it goes into petrol is if you go over 75 miles an hour.
Right.
Or we switch it into sport mode, which we'll do when we get on the bypass.
Okay.
And then you'll feel that it'll go to sport suspension and sport drive, so the whole car will almost like breathe in and it'll become much of a more rigid vehicle.
Where are you going?
So, if you go in the right hand lane.
Sorry. Right, yeah.
The other side of this lorry.
Yeah, I know. There is a little story about my driving test.
Excellent.
I passed. No, where he said to me, can you turn... Oh, I shouldn't have pulled out. So the front of the car gets removed. He said, can you turn left here? And I'm looking that way. And I missed the turning twice.
Oh no!
But I didn't fail. He said, I'm not here to test you on...
So follow that black Mercedes.
Okay.
But not now. Stay in that lane. I didn't know we were going to switch one. And we're going to go right round the roundabout, down the slip road onto the bypass.
Okay. What do you reckon, Matt? Can you feel my nerves?
I can feel your nerves.
Be alright. So we're going down...
Yeah, all the way round.
Down here, yeah?
And then down on the next one. Okay. So now I'll put the car into sport.
Right.
You just feel it's changed. It's gone to red on the dashboard, so now we're in sport mode.
suppose it
We
is.
don't get that many days from it.
Oh
yeah.
It's got a different tracking.
Pardon?
At least it's got a different tracking.
No. Well, there's a bit of a thing about that, isn't there? 'Cause we said about it the other day, didn't we, at the meeting?
Yeah, obviously you have those cars stolen.
Yeah.
And they had to put to get the tracker activate. So
That's
by it
right.
sounds like they do, so they don't activate the left lead.
Because I've got an IA that's just arrived from a customer, our first customer delivery, and he's had a tracker to come in as an outside company to fit a tracker, and they can't fit a tracker to it. There's no separate power source. Exactly. But you can have track start fitted at the factory, but he didn't get that at the time. So it's a bit of an ongoing thing at the moment, because Tracker are now trying to find somehow they can fit the tractor to his car. He's got to have it for insurance. So yeah, it's a bit.
It's very nice.
Well, I'm going to ring them up and say, look, you need to have the tractors fitted at the factory.
So this is using both electric and...
This is just using fuel now, so
Oh,
if
is
I push
it?
it over to the right,
Yeah.
unless you drop below 75, it won't use it, will just use battery. It's telling you on here how many miles of battery you've got and how many miles of petrol.
All right. So we're now on battery only, yeah?
So we're now on battery.
How powerful is that?
The petrol engine is pretty powerful. I mean, you've got the electric motor's 170, the rest is the petrol engine. It's got like just over 400 brake, so yeah, I know, it's crazy, isn't it?
You're always still going to have people who won't buy it, don't like it because it's an electric car, they don't like it.
Yeah, exactly.
Always going to be.
So what did you switch then?
So I've just moved the gear lever across.
Oh, okay,
Now
yeah.
put it back into sport, or I can put it back into this is more of a comfort mode. So
Yeah, yeah.
it's a softer suspension, and the revs sort of changes gear a bit quicker.
Right, okay.
You can change gear manually as well on this with the paddle shifts.
Okay.
And then it automatically reverts to sport mode if you do that as well. So you can feel there there's not as much pickup,
Yeah, yeah,
whereas if I put it into sport,
yeah. Yeah, I think the sound helps, doesn't it?
it's good, isn't it? If you change gear manually with the paddle shifts up and down, the exhaust notes pop like that. It's really clever.
Yeah. It doesn't make a disintegrating sound if you
No.
drop down too many gears
No,
then.
it's very gentle.
That's nice. Car stuff. Worth every pound or something.
Yeah, I mean, nearly all the cars that we've sold, this one around about back,
Yeah.
take my country road.
Okay.
All the cars that we've sold are tending to go through businesses because the tax relief is
Yeah.
being electric.
Okay, yeah.
Obviously, there's government grant as well,
That's-
£5,000
yeah.
on the car.
That's right. Yeah, you can do there's some tax advantages there. You can write it
Exactly.
down.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if it's 100 grand, it's 50%. People sit services. And if it does 135 miles per gallon, like the petrol engine at the moment, keeps fluctuating.
Yeah.
At the moment, the car's doing 99.9 miles
Yeah.
per gallon.
Yeah.
Well, if they've got Aston Martins and Maseratis, which most of them have Porsches, they're getting like 18 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
This then just makes so much sense.
That's right. What, we in sport again? Huh?
You're in sport, but you're back into automatic, so you don't have to change gear.
Oh, was I not? Was I meant to be changing gear then?
because you asked me to
Sorry.
go into manual.
Oh, sorry.
So all the way around to the right. It doesn't revert itself back. Once you put it in
Okay.
manual,
Okay.
it would if you really...
So there's me driving along in like
yeah,
first gear.
First
Brilliant.
gear, yeah.
Sorry.
Doesn't matter.
So we're up here again, yeah.